Okay, we're going to take a look at this Zizo Bolt iPhone 10 case. You do get in the box, you do get a screen protector. Now I don't need one at the moment on my phone. I've already got one on, but just to show you how that actually compares size-wise, this is a Spigen screen protector that's already on. This is, I don't know, it's probably a millimetre narrower and a little bit shorter, so you can just see there at the top how that compares. Anyway, that's not what we're about. We need the case. That to one side. Okay, the case is a two-part construction. The middle part will actually come out. I don't know why you would want it to come out in daily use, but it does have a little stand on the back, quite nicely constructed, quite strong, so that will stay up fairly securely. It's quite a heavy case, about 51 grams I've weighed it at. I was looking for a new case. I've been using a leather Apple case, and I found it a bit slippy, and actually dropped my phone last week, so I thought I'd look for another case. This has done really well in CNET's drop tests that they've recently done, so I thought I'd give it a go. It's obviously quite a bit bulkier than the Apple case that I'm used to. It's about 13 millimeters to the flat section from the front, and the extra little ridge there is about 1 millimeter high. So its extreme size is about 14 millimeters, something like that. So it's a bit chunkier, but it doesn't feel too bad in the hand. So I'll just put that in there. Not a real fan of these sort of cutouts for the Apple logo on phones, but it is what it is. Anyway, it's just not quite central on that, but it's not a deal breaker. It's perfectly cut out around the camera. It's probably got about, I don't know, 1.5 millimeters, something like that, raised up off the edge there, even with the screen protector on, so you can put that down no problem. All the cutouts on the back are perfect. Really big cutout for the mute button there. Your thumb kind of locates in that quite nicely, so it is quite a good feel in the hand. You do get this belt clip with it, which is really industrial. It's really well made. That now I'm not sure I'm going to use that, but if you did want to use that, it will fit on both ways. It does clip into holes on both sides. Obviously that protects the screen if it's against you there. If for whatever reason you wanted to have it that way around, then you could do, and this index is round, so you can turn that round on your belt should you wish to. But yeah, the buttons are good. Yeah, there you go, no problem at all there. So yeah, it feels nice in the hand. It has done really well on the recent drop tests on CNET, where they've repeatedly dropped an iPhone 10 in this case from 20 feet without damage. Now I'm not going to start throwing the phone around to show you how it works, but yeah, it's a pretty solid case. Like I say, it is a little bit heavy, but if you're looking for a case that's going to protect your £1,000 iPhone, then it's certainly not a bad one to go for. So yeah, hope you found that useful.